Welcome to our instructional video on how to sign up with 1xBet and activate your bonus using the promotional code MISTERBETS. Fantastic! Stick with us until the conclusion of this tutorial, and I'll guide you through the process step by step. Let's get started. To begin, head to the 1xBet website. Once you're there, click on Registration. On the left-hand side of the page, you'll find the option to select your bonus, whether it's for the casino or sports. Now, on to the next phase. After choosing your bonus, opt for One Click. Here, you'll enter your country and currency details. Don't overlook the critical step. Input MISTERBETS into the promotional code field to activate your bonus on the initial deposit. Once completed, click Register and complete the CAPTCHA. Your registration information will be securely stored. For additional security measures, you might consider providing your email as well. Moving forward, select Make a Deposit. Then, choose your preferred payment method. With more than 70 options available, you're certain to find one that meets your requirements. Following your initial deposit, your bonus, whether for sports or the casino, will be ready for use. It's that straightforward. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more informative content. Until next time.